How to change language in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. On your system, open Microsoft Excel. Now, click on File tab on the left corner of the Excel window. Here, and you want to go down and select Options at the bottom on the left side. From here select Language. Now on the right side where it says Choose Editing Languages, you can see your default language is English. To change language, below click on drop down menu. Here you can see a long list of languages appear. Now select your desired language. Click on Add, click on Set Default. Below click on OK button. This is how you can simply change language in Microsoft Excel. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.